Never been in minus 15 degrees alone. Lake. I have never seen a frozen lake ever. कल तक मेरे को पे 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 मुंबई के हॉन्किंग की आवाज आ रही थी. आज मैं बर्फ में गमबूट्स में नॉर्वे में चल रही हूँ. Cabin. Oh wow, dude, that is beautiful. They are watching me like I'm the weird one, which I am for them. I can't believe I'm here, and I can't believe this is possible. Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Travel with Sar, where you and we travel together. I can't believe I'm saying this. The sun is setting right now in Mumbai, but we are going. You and we're going to Norway together tonight. आज रात की flight है. मैंने literally last week book की है, you guys. This is the most impulsive trip your Impulse Coffee's owner has ever taken. I told you all 2 vlogs back कि मेरा कोई travel plan नहीं है, and वो सच था. मेरा कोई travel plan नहीं था until I reached my maximum stage of burnout. Like so much burnout कि मुझसे और काम नहीं हो रहा था. I just want to escape. I am not able to work anymore. I'm not able to function anymore. My health has been bad right now. Also, I've taken a Combiflam because I have a fever and I'm a little scared, very scared to go on this trip. But I was like, you know what? I have a Schengen visa जो April 4th को खत्म हो जाएगा. टिकट के पैसे है, वीजा लगा है पासपोर्ट पे. अब नहीं जाऊंगी तो जिंदगी भर पछताऊंगी because मेरे विजन बोर्ड पे Northern Lights experience करना इस साल है और ये साल is known to be the strongest Northern Lights ever because of the solar activity, and it happens every year, but there's a chance you might get it, there's a chance you might not, but there's a high chance that you might get it this year. So I thought, you know what, let's do it. So I booked my flight in an impulse and I booked everything else just day before yesterday. बस last week मैंने flights की और कल मैंने बैठ के सारे experiences, stays वगैरह सब कुछ कर दिया है. We're going to Norway. Oh my god, the sun is literally setting right now outside our beautiful apartment here in Mumbai. Mashallah, I'm so blessed to live here. I can't ever express enough that, you know, we finally have a house and it feels amazing. But balancing like the amount of roles I balance on a day-to-day basis, from my business to my content to mummy's content also now, and so many other family responsibilities also that I have. मेरा burnout इतना बुरा था कि मैं almost एक हफ्ते से रोज रो के सो रही हूँ. इतने काम की वजह से, काम के प्रेशर की वजह से मुझे रोज बुखार आ रहा है. And it's just not healthy. You need to cut off. And unfortunately, since my house is my office, I'm never able to cut off in my house. Never. Because there's staff all the time in my house. So until and unless I leave this place and go, I don't really get a break. I don't even get weekends off. So this is my chance to go catch a break. God knows it that if there's, I need it right now. अब मैं जा रही हूँ. अब क्या होगा मुझे नहीं पता है, बट मैं जा रही हूँ. आई एम वेरी स्केयर्ड बिकॉज आप लोगों को पता है कि ठंडी की जगहों पे आई डोंट थ्राइव वेरी वेल. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है कि ठंडी की जगहों पे यूजुअली आई फॉल सिक या कुछ होता है और ऑलरेडी बुखार हो रखी है. तो आई एम वेरी स्केयर्ड, वेरी नर्वस कि मैं अकेली जा रही हूँ. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली नोबडी एल्स हैज अ शेंगन वीजा एक्टिव राइट नाउ. नीदर डू मॉम एंड डैड, नीदर डज रीत. किसी के पास भी शेंगन वीजा नहीं है तो मुझे अकेले ही जाना पड़ेगा. इंशाल्लाह आई कैन टेक केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ. आई हैव बीन टू यूरोप बिफोर अलोन, बट आई हैव जस्ट नेवर बीन इन minus 15 degrees alone. I'll be fine. We're strong girls. We take care of ourselves. We're fine. We'll be fine. Inshallah. Oh, please Allah Pak. Let me have a good trip. मैं आप देख रहे हो मुझे पसीना आ रहा है currently. मैंने अभी Combiflam लिया है. मुझे बुखार अभी भी उतर रहा है. I'm still sweating. But I'll be fine. Inshallah. Let's do this. This is going to be my main jacket. आप लोग पूरे ट्रिप पे मुझे यही जैकेट में देखोगे because this is something I just purchased from Decathlon. It's their new like minus 20 degrees, minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit का this, and I'm going to be facing minus 15 degrees so for sure in Tromsø, Norway. That's the backpack I've decided to carry. I am allowed 23 kgs, which is this is the luggage I'm taking. The main luggage is fully packed. 23 kgs pack किया हम लोगों ने. 21 kgs रखा है अभी तक. Feels heavier though. And this is my cabin, which is having all my electronics, and this is the footwear I'm gonna wear. The Uggs, they have become a little rusty dusty, but I think they have wool inside, so they're gonna be warm. I don't think they're perfect. I need snow boots, but I can't afford to buy them from India, so probably buy them once I go there. Faji, you're gonna miss me. You're gonna miss me, babu. I'll be back soon, okay? I'll be back soonish. I'm at the airport. I'm done with everything. immigration, baggage check, security check. I'm at the crossword just picking up a book for myself because I don't have anything to read on this trip. Over here in the top 30 category, I saw the Twisted series and I have read Twisted Love and I didn't like it at all. It was very cliche. But Pooja told me Lies is better. She likes Lies and Games, Twisted Lies and Games. She doesn't like Love and Hate. So Lies is over here. So I'm thinking I'll pick this up. It's a fat one, but I think it'll be good for my solo trip. I'm gone for 10 days, so I can easily read this. Let me check it out. There's an hour and a half for my boarding. बहुत time है. Alright you guys, the boarding has started like 15-30 minutes before anticipation. Let's go. उधर 6 में गेट पे आ गई जल्दी. Been to Switzerland 2 times before, but this is my first time at the airport. I've always taken the train. Now I'm just using the Zurich airport to transit to the Norway airport. The flight was okay. Swiss Airlines se bhi pehli baar fly kiya hai. Not that great. Food was bad. Service is okay. It's -2 degrees currently in Switzerland. A good cup of cappuccino, a pain au chocolat, some muesli and some water. I'm sitting at the airport in the transit zone because अभी तक मेरा gate नहीं display हुआ है. अभी Switzerland में it is 6:10 a.m. and they're going to display 6:45 and they're going to display the gate at 8:10 a.m. So there's a lot of time for me. So I'm going to just have a nice breakfast because the flight for me was not that comfortable. I could not sleep. I need coffee now. I didn't have coffee on the flight. I ate breakfast but इतना अच्छा नहीं था. मतलब कुछ भी इतना खास नहीं था. अभी Switzerland का खाना अच्छा ही होगा. Getting the more, I am so tempted to even go out in Zurich because I love Zurich, I love Switzerland. But let's go explore Norway because I've seen so many vlogs before taking this trip. एक हफ्ते में I planned everything and I saw so many vlogs कि मेरा अभी पूरा Instagram and YouTube feed is just filled with Norway and it's beautiful. Like I'm very excited to see the visuals because I've been seeing so many people's vlogs and they all look so stunning. Like even in summers, Norway is beautiful. In winters, a different part of Norway is beautiful. In summers, a different part of Norway is beautiful. So I'm gonna experience the winter part. And it's here. After so long, I'm having bread, and it might as well be European bread. We are in Norway. Oh my god, I can't believe it, you guys. मुझे अभी तक हिट नहीं हो रहा है. मैं देख रही हूँ मुझे अभी तक हिट नहीं हो रहा है. From the flight, I literally saw my first frozen lake. I have never seen a frozen lake ever. From the flight I saw it, but oh my god, the visuals was something else. I've landed at Oslo airport from India. So Mumbai to Zurich, Zurich to Oslo. अभी baggage collect करते. It's not that cold. अभी airport के अंदर तो नहीं है. But बाहर also they are saying 7 degrees. So 7 degrees I think I can tolerate. I've been in 7 degrees. Oh, I'm so excited now. Now I'm feeling the excitement. It's been a while that I've come to Europe. Now, when was the last time I came? Exit. Okay, the airport is really nice. All the Scandinavia airlines are here. ये लेके हम ट्रॉम्सो जाएंगे next destination next vlog में. अभी let's explore Oslo. पूरा रात का सफ़र था ना, तो बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है, बहुत भूख भी लग रही है. नींद और खाना बराबर से हुआ नहीं है. अभी देखते हैं. I will mostly eat at the airport and I was thinking that I'll do a road trip. I'll rent a car. On Indian license you can rent a car. I've not given it a lot of thought, but I'm here in Oslo for 2 days and I want to do a road trip in and around Oslo. Next destination पे हम flight लेके जाएंगे. So just for 2 days I'm thinking I'll do a car and then we'll be back to this airport to change the destination. I'm very impulsive because I'm alone, so when you're alone you can make your own choices. That's the best part about a solo trip. See, the weather right now is 11 degrees, so not bad. Very very tolerable. I'm at the airport, I got my luggage and I'm super hungry, so I grabbed 2 slices of pizza. I'm gonna eat this and then figure out my transport to the stay that I'm staying in. I'm so hungry. इतनी ठंडी नहीं है. एयरपोर्ट के अंदर तो गर्मी हो रही है मुझे. And inside I'm not wearing anything, only one layer, just the sweatshirt. But बाहर मुझे बर्फ़ दिख रही है एग्जिट पे. रास्तों पे बर्फ़ थी. The whole city is covered in snow. तो बाहर हो सकती है ठंडी. I'm excited.
A few moments later.
I have rented a car in Europe before. If you've seen my Spain vlog, you would know. But last time मैंने already pre-booking कराई थी. इस बार मैंने pre-booking नहीं कराई है. I'm making this decision right now that I'm going to rent a car. So we need to see how to do it. There's a Sixt counter over here. Avis, Sixt, all these companies are there. Last time मैंने Sixt से किया था. The experience was pretty smooth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it with the same company. Okay, yeah, यहाँ पर ठंडी है थोड़ी. I'm gonna layer up once I'm down this thing. Yes, let's go. All the car rentals are here.
Friday or Saturday?
Today is the 5th, right? 5th to the 7th.
5th to the 7th.
Yeah. 7th morning drop off.
Okay.
Just the cheapest option where there's a boot space for this bag. If you can see my book bag.
The faster Harry is it?
It'll just be you driving the car as well?
Yeah, just me.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Okay.
सबसे सस्ता ऑप्शन मांगा है मैंने इनसे क्योंकि मुझे खर्चा नहीं करना ज़्यादा. अकेली हूँ ना, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. Is there snow on the roads right now?
Not now. Are you going far or just going?
Fenstad? I'm going to Fenstad.
I don't know, but I don't think so.
Okay.
Like if you go to the mountains, you'll find snow. But
No, I'm not going to the mountains
No.
with the car. Unfortunately, the car rental plan is a total flop because Sixt is very expensive. It's coming out to be 40,000 for just 2 days. That's insane. उतने का तो stay भी नहीं है. और Avis budget की भी queue में मैं पूरी रुकी थी, but it is fully sold out. They're fully booked out. That's another company for car rental. So we're gonna have to Uber, and I was just checking the Uber cost. It is expensive in general, so we don't have a choice. We're just gonna Uber it in Oslo. The catch is that I'm not in Oslo city. I'm going to Fenstad. That's my first stay. It's this very beautiful glamping experience जो country side पे है. तो country side पे क्या खुला रहेगा और खाने को क्या मिलेगा मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं. इसलिए I wanted a car कि मैं खुद से जा पाऊँ. अभी Uber के डिपेंडेंट रहूँगी तो बहुत डिपेंडेंसी हो जाएगी मेरी. और उधर क्या खाने मिलेगा, नो आइडिया. आई स्पोक टू द Airbnb host also. He said that it came from arrivals. I spoke to the host of the stay and they said कि उधर सब कुछ जल्दी बंद हो जाता है और उधर कुछ मिलेगा नहीं easily खाने को. It's a self check-in system, so I really want to go out before it becomes dark also. So let's just go out now. Let's grab some pizza for dinner in case I don't get anything over there. यहाँ पे जहाँ पिज्ज़ा खाया था उधर से मैं थोड़े और 2 स्लाइस ले लेती हूँ सेफ्टी साइड रात के लिए. Noodles, instant noodles, all that if I have to buy. You don't understand.
I don't understand.
You don't
yes.
understand, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take this. Can you also give me 2 bottles of water, please? Yeah.
You want still sparkling?
Still, this can be my dinner in case I don't get anything at the countryside. Perfect. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi. Do you know? Is there a supermarket
No supermarket.
No.
No.
Outside?
Not outside, not inside.
Okay. I'm going towards Fenstad. So will I get it there?
Yeah, there you can find yes.
Not here. Okay. Okay. Perfect.
Supermarket.
Thank you so much. Language is a problem. Okay, we're all good to go. Pani and pizza. There's Joe and the juice also over here, but now I'm sorted for dinner in case I don't get anything. Let's exit this airport finally and see how cold it is outside. Solo trip का अलग ही मजा होता है. I love figuring all these things out yourself, you know. Not bad, not bad. Hi. Okay, not bad at all. हवा नहीं है इतनी तेज़, ठीक है, बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं. मुझे जितना बुखार मुंबई में था यूरोप अब के चला गया. आई डोंट नो वो मुंबई में स्ट्रेस फीवर था कि मुंबई की पोल्यूशन वाली हवा चली गई तो बुखार भी चला गया. अभी ऊबर का काउंटर कहाँ है? ऊबर. लैंडिंग के बाद 2 घंटे मैंने एयरपोर्ट पे बिताया. फाइनली आई हैव अ टैक्सी. हाय. फाइट द स्ट्रगल लेटर. फाइनली आई हैव अ टैक्सी. nice. The weather is really nice. It's not very cold also. 6 के क्यू में मैं खड़ी 6 में क्यू नहीं थी. मैं गई. पहले वो बोला 20,000 2 दिन का. तो मैं बोली ओके. मैं ओके बोलने ही वाली थी. उतने में बोला 40,000. मैं जस्ट फोन चार्जिंग पे रख के आई तो वापस वो बोला रिवाइज हो गई प्राइसिंग. मैं बोली है इसलिए 6 में क्यू ही नहीं थी. कोई नहीं खड़ा था 6 की लाइन में. फिर सब एविस बजट की लाइन में खड़े थे. उधर मेरे को एक सब्सक्राइबर भी मिली तो उसका हस्बैंड भी खड़ा था. उन लोग हनीमून पे आए थे तो उन लोग बुकिंग करके आए थे. तो भी मैं क्यू में खड़ी रही बिकॉज मेरा फोन चार्ज हो रहा था. फोन में चार्जिंग नहीं थी. एविस तक अगर ड्राइव करना है तो मैप्स लगेगा. सो आई केप्ट इट ऑन चार्जिंग एंड आई स्टूड इन द क्यू. एविस की पूरी क्यू में खड़ी रही 1 घंटा. But they are fully sold out. So, oh, the views are so nice.
We stay here until tomorrow. Can't let them win this time. I'm so back with you, with you. So stay and let this prove you got me inspired. We can stay by this fire.
इधर से मैं चल के तो नहीं जा पाऊंगी उधर. वो जो सुपरमार्केट देखा हमने.
ये अभी आपको सारा रास्ता चल के जाना पड़ेगा.
चल के कैसे जाऊंगी? उधर ही रहना पड़ेगा मुझे अभी 2 दिन.
अच्छा 2 दिन आपने.
हाँ 2 दिन. दिस इज द स्टे आई थिंक. हाँ अहमद जी बोल रहे कि मैंने गांव के बीच में स्टे किया. वंडर इन. हाँ वही है. Oh, they have a kitchen, ना. Welcome to Ban Kitchen. Willkommen.
वापस लेके आना.
तो उस दिन का.
वो तो शहर आप ये देखें अभी मैं एयरपोर्ट पे आया ना शहर से. तो मैं आपको ये देखें मैंने अभी ये लिया. शहर से इधर आया हूँ एयरपोर्ट पे. तो मैंने इतने लिए.
शहर से एयरपोर्ट पे आने.
हाँ तो ये देखें एयरपोर्ट से भी काफी आगे है. ये देखें एयरपोर्ट से लेके इधर आगे आया हूँ तो ये लिए
2000 फाइन. वरना मैं इधर ही रह जाऊंगी. वरना मैं इधर ही रह जाऊंगी.
तो वो तो
आप
और अच्छी
बताइए.
बात है ना. आप हमारे क्लाइंट रहे.
नहीं इधर ही रह जाऊंगी. मतलब इधर ही रहोगी. कल बाहर नहीं जाऊंगी. आप सीधा फिर सिर्फ एयरपोर्ट छोड़ दीजिए. ये 2000 अभी मेरे अगर मैं रेंट भी कर रही होती तो मुझे 2000 पड़ रहा था गाड़ी रेंटल का. खाली अवेलेबल नहीं थी.
लेकिन आप मेरे पास है ना वो 2000 आपको बता रहे थे. जब आपने उसकी इंश्योरेंस करवानी थी पहले तो आपके आईडी कार्ड नहीं चलना था उसमें. और इसकी इंश्योरेंस करानी थी 300-400 वो बन जाना था. और उसने अब प्लस आपके वो बूम लगने हैं. आपको शायद नहीं पता. इधर जो है ना ये
वो क्या होता है?
आप जब शहर में जाते हैं ना
टोल
तो शहर में जाके ये आपको सिर्फ मेरे ख्याल में 400-500 करोड़ तो ये बन जाना था दिन का. अगर आप जाती हैं तो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. ये तो उन्होंने हर गली में लगाया हुआ है. हाँ ये हम फिक्स पे करते हैं ना इसका.
अच्छा वो लाइक अ फास्ट टैग. आई एम नेगोशिएटिंग अ डील. आप बोलिए ना जो सही आपको सही लगे. आप बोलो क्योंकि ये बहुत अंदर है. तो मुझे अगर कल शहर में जाना है तो कल शहर में जाके वापस आएंगे शाम को. और फिर परसों एयरपोर्ट. 2000 ले लो बराबर है.
फिर तो ये है ना कि मुझे दुआ करनी चाहिए कि मुझे शहर से कोई सवारी मिल जाए एयरपोर्ट.
मिल जाएगी. Yeah, that's lightweight. I'll carry that to the cabin. This you'll send it later? You'll
Yeah, I
send
can
this
send you
later?
later. Yeah. So
Okay.
there's still. Thank you.
Thank you so much. आपको कल मैं कॉल करूँ? ठीक है. Thank you.
Yeah. You come straight from the airport?
Yes, straight from the airport.
Right.
And I have to go to Tromsø after this and Bergen.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
long trip, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Also because I'm from India, I need a lot of layers. Although it's not that cold, I was anticipating.
No,
much
it's
worse.
really warm. It's like crazy warm. It's unusual warm actually.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm glad. I've prayed for this.
Yeah, the only disadvantage is then it gets so muddy, of course.
Right.
Because a week ago it was like snow here. So
That's what the driver was saying, that the taxis wouldn't come here otherwise. So have you given me your taxi driver's number for that reason?
Here? No, they would always come.
They come, right?
Of course.
They come?
Why did you say
Yeah.
no?
I don't know. He said that it would be fully snowy and they wouldn't come. otherwise.
No. Everybody comes here.
Great.
We got like people.
I got so scared.
Yeah, we got people all year round.
Great.
This is like not remote. If you go to, you will see. You will now go to Tromsø, right?
Yeah.
Then you will see remote places. It's like Tromsø is a lot of people. But
This
like,
is so beautiful.
yeah, this is
Very beautiful.
This is like close to Oslo, so this is not remote.
Yeah.
But,
I wanted to stay in your Wonder in Arctic. That was my.
Yeah.
But it wasn't available on my dates. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah,
This
I
is
see
beautiful
it's pretty
too.
fully booked there.
Yes.
So they're texting me now like.
The snow just melted, is it?
Yeah, you see here's still snow.
Yeah. Oh.
Crazy that it's so warm. It's really unusual.
I'm glad you're here. Is Earl also here?
Who?
Earl is her name?
Arla, yeah,
Arla.
she's also here.
Okay,
because
great.
we're teaching him. He's just started, so that's why
Okay.
we're like coming from that cabin. His first day alone, so we have to check if it's all good. And it was your cabin he was doing. So
Oh,
we're checking
hello.
everything.
Go to the garage.
Yes.
Or we will drive some luggage from here.
Oh, you need the chains because of the snow.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So so that's the barn, and then Mara, your cabin is like if you go down, the first cabin on the right side.
Okay.
There's
okay.
like the key in the key box.
Yeah, key box I got the code. Yeah.
Yeah, you know how to open it.
Yes.
So you type in the code, and then you have to push that lever down and open it. So
Got
the key is
it.
in that box.
Got
It
it.
doesn't go automatically open.
Got it. This is like proper countryside living.
This is
Yeah.
this is like farm life.
Yeah, I just didn't want to live in the city. So, because I come from a very big city already.
Ah.
Mumbai, have you ever
Oh
been?
wow, yeah, Mumbai. No, my girlfriend went to India.
Oh, that's so busy.
Yeah, wow, can imagine.
Where?
There, next to that shed.
Oh my god.
So they have a big place. The place goes from here left.
Oh, hello, what's your name? What's your name? Are you looking at my pizza? That's my food.
There's actually 50, like if you walk half an hour, then there's like the closest shop is there.
I saw the supermarket.
Yeah,
it's
you
quite
could-
uphill though.
But normally it's better actually to take it on the way here, right? Because now you kind of have to order a taxi again for
Yeah. Oh, this is nice and warm. Lovely.
Christmas.
Ah. Oh, amazing. You
These
walk
ones.
here. Walk.
You want?
It's a wedding menu too. What a beautiful wedding menu. Yes. Yes. I know you want my pizza, but this is my only dinner. I don't have an option. I can't share my pizza. Can we go see the alpacas?
Yeah. The alpacas, they go from that place
Mm-hmm.
all the way to that place. But if you want, I can. Shall I drop in the meantime your luggage at the place, at the cabin?
I'll come with you. I'll
Yeah,
come see
okay.
the cabin.
Yeah.
I'll come back here for them. कल तक मेरे को पे 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 मुंबई के हॉन्किंग की आवाज़ आ रही थी. आज मैं बर्फ में गमबूट्स में नॉर्वे में चल रही हूँ और एक बंदा मेरा एटीएम में लगेज लेके जा रहा है. क्या ही लाइफ चल रही है भाई. Beautiful. Bye. Standing over here. I'm so glad I chose this stay over the city. Oh my god, it's riverside. Look at that. जैसे अरुणाचल में रीत और मैं रुके थे सांगती वैली में वैसी एकदम खूबसूरत. Are you Erla?
I've been talking to you.
So lovely meeting you.
Here is your cabin.
I put it there.
Yes, perfect. Okay.
Yeah, the door. Yeah.
Okay, it's in the door already. Thank you so much.
Yeah, enjoy. Yeah.
Wow. This is our first stay in Norway. Can you freaking believe it? It's a cabin. It's called Woodside Inn. Fully mirrored. Inside I've not yet seen, but there's a jacuzzi. It's riverside. The weather's so good. Allah Pak has blessed me with a good weather. It's sunny. And there is a sauna. And then they have a farm with alpacas and ponies. So while my driver, who was Pakistani by the way, so he knew Hindi. इसलिए हम हिंदी में बात करते. He was very surprised कि मैंने इतने गाँव में क्यों लिया है stay. But I have been so overwhelmed with Mumbai in general that I just did not want to stay in this city. I have come to Norway to chase the northern lights and see the beauty of the countryside. I don't want to be in the city. I am going to one city which is Bergen, जो हम last में जाएंगे. तो पहले I want to do this and this beautiful couple, Earl and Jeremy, जिनसे आप अभी मिले, they are hosting us over here. So it's such a lovely stay, such a lovely vibe, and I miss Reet actually. He would love this. He would absolutely love it. It's so gorgeous. Time for a room tour. Let's see what our cabin. Oh wow, dude, that is beautiful. This is so dreamy. This is too romantic. Okay, for a solo trip, I want to come back here with Reet. This is so beautiful. So stunning. And this room is so nice and warm and it smells of cinnamon.
A few moments later.
I still can't get over how beautiful this cabin is. I've made myself at home clearly. It's not that cold, so I've removed the big jacket. Just did a little bit of outfit change to freshen up. And I'm wearing this cute earmuff. Added a lip. And my thermal with this red cardigan that I got on Savannah. This is my fit for just exploring this cabin. They have animals also. They have farm animals over here. So this cabin was offbeat. It's like a 25-minute car ride from the airport. It's an offbeat location. It's the countryside. It's beautiful. There's a river outside. And the best thing is कि ये अंदर पूरा heated है. So it's very nicely. There's floor heating and there's a heater over here also. तो इस वजह से बीमार पड़ने के chances नहीं. जब आपको याद है मैं सांगती वैली गई थी अरुणाचल में. The only thing was that when I slept in that riverside cabin, I fell sick. So because I'm not used to the cold at all. So that's why I'm scared. Like right now, so इतनी ठंडी नहीं है, but I'm keeping my earmuff. I'm gonna wear a muffler also and just take all my safety precautions and then go out to sea and meet the farm animals. Yeah, that's it. I just want to chill over here today and tomorrow. And the only thing is कि खाने पीने का थोड़ा इधर issue है. They don't have a restaurant or anything. There's a grocery store 30 minutes from here, like walking, or I can do a Bolt, which is the taxi. Taxis are expensive. So that's why I was negotiating a deal with the taxi guy who brought me here. Since he was Pakistani, he was just helping me out. And he was like, आपको कुछ चाहिए तो मैं कर दूंगा. But I will probably contact him only directly to go to the airport. I have no wish to go outside in the city tomorrow. For my food, आज रात के लिए तो we have pizza that we picked up. So we have this. And कल के लिए I'll see. I'll probably go to the supermarket and get something. Yeah, I'll probably do that only. I'll go to the supermarket and get something. And make like eggs or those cold cuts or something like that. Let's see. We'll figure. We'll live the country life for 2 days. This feels so refreshing. I can't believe I'm here and I can't believe this is possible. Alhamdulillah that I can get this escape and God knows I needed it. That's where the alpacas are. So cute. Instead of going from here because this trail is very rocky, I'm just gonna go from the other side. जैसे हम आए थे. Oh my god, look, there are alpacas. Hi! Hello. हो गया उनका खा के. They were on the other side. So cute. Oh my goodness, this is the first time I'm seeing alpacas. How freaking cute. Hi. So cute. They're watching me like I'm the weird one, which I am for them. So freaking cute. They have a sign over there. They all belong to the Wanderin people only. It's all one stay. What a beautiful property, man. What a property. Shit. Bye bye. अगर आप खुद की गाड़ी लेके यहाँ हो ना तो आपका परफेक्ट स्टे हो जाएगा. इनका पार्किंग लॉट इधर ही है. सारे कैबिन्स नीचे है. एंड देन आप मस्त गाड़ी लगा के यू कैन जस्ट गो एंजॉय द कैबिन. Stay there, beautiful. अभी जब रात होगी, it will be so stunning because you can see the starry sky from your cabin while you lie down. What a beautiful, like इधर की हवा इतनी अच्छी है यार. Can't believe we breathe such polluted air in Bombay and this is so refreshing. Like, but also I was suggesting कि हाँ आप definitely if you have the option take a car rental and come. I met a Sara squad only at the car rental place and they were a couple and they were taking a car and coming, and that's the ideal way to do Norway because taxis are also very expensive. Car rentals are also expensive, but stays are not so expensive. Honestly speaking, Scandinavia is supposed to be very expensive, but stays in Norway I found them very budget friendly, like not supremely expensive like a Paris or a like Tromso is expensive because अभी Northern Lights का season है ना, so Tromso is very expensive. But if I had a car, I would easily be able to go to the grocery store or go to a restaurant or something and then come back and stay here. अभी वो options मेरे limited है since I did not get a car. You should pre-book and come because season time है इनका, so that's a problem. It's also extremely muddy right now as I'm walking because सारे alpacas मुझे देख रहे हैं. As I'm walking towards them, they are all looking at me. This is the sauna. This is another cabin. This is the main kitchen area जो उन लोग wedding के लिए देते हैं. फिर they have barns over there. I think that's their own house. और फिर ये सारे cabins हैं and they have alpacas and they have ponies also. I didn't see any pony. Oh, that's the pony. अरे बहुत कीचड़ हो गई है इधर. Hello. सारे उड़ गए. Hi बोली तो. Hi. What's up? क्या क्यूटी है यार, क्या क्यूटूज है. Oh, there's a pony over there. Oh my god, gorgeous. This is like out of a postcard. Can't believe this is real.
The next morning.
Good morning. It is day 2 in Norway and I'm finally beginning to understand the quietness of this place because yesterday मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डर लग रहा था. I was feeling very lonely also. I called Reet. I cried also because I was missing him too much. This place I definitely see myself coming back with him. Inshallah someday we will. But now I think yesterday I was also very tired because इतना लंबा सफ़र था मैं फ्लाइट में बराबर सोई नहीं थी. So all that got to me. I got a good night's sleep. It's a very beautiful place, like unreal, out of postcards. कभी सोचा भी नहीं था ऐसी जगह पे मैं कभी आ भी पाऊंगी जो exactly जैसे बचपन में पेंटिंग करते थे वैसे ही दिख रही है. The key over here is to just layer up and cover every part of your body, especially if you're from Mumbai or some hot place, because it's not that cold but it's very windy, which is why I carried my mic, because otherwise आप लोगों को कुछ सुनाई नहीं देता था. अभी सुबह सुबह इधर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गई है. This is the proper farm life. 1 बजे वापस आएगी. So I'm going to the nearby grocery store, which is a 30-minute walk. 30-minute one side and 30-minute back. I'm going to take the morning walk. I've not had anything since morning. Go grab some fruits, some supplies for myself to cook over here because they have a kitchen and a barn and everything over here. So let me change my gumboots. I'm in gumboots. मैंने अपने जूते अंदर रखे. Hi.
Hi,
Morning.
yeah, you want some cinnamon buns?
Sure.
We don't have power, so
Yeah. Even if I go get supplies, will I be able to cook?
yeah, it comes back at 11.
11 is coming back? Okay, great.
That's what they said.
I thought I'll go to Joker and come. ये सब इन्होंने लगा के रखा है because electricity नहीं है तो coffee, chai and cinnamon buns. So yummy. Of course, this is going to be my breakfast now.
A little later.
I just wanted to travel.
Oh, Mumbai. Have you ever been to India?
No, never.
You should come. You should definitely come.
We
But
can go. We should go.
Yeah.
in the future.
It's so overwhelming though as a city. Like India is beautiful, like the culture and everything beautiful, but as a city, Mumbai is so overwhelming. There are places like this in India. Like this is very much like India. There is Kashmir, which is in the north, Himalayas.
Kashmir, right?
Those would be ideal for you guys. Like very beautiful, very scenic. This is Kim's brand, Tivine. It's called
Tivine.
Tivine, and they do organic
Almond butter
almond butter,
and milk tea stick
milk tea.
and peanut butter.
So you all ship only in Korea?
No, in the world, but earlier still not enough to sell.
Not enough products. Okay.
Only we can focus on
Korean
Korea,
market.
Korea, still,
Lovely.
Yeah. This is syrup instead of sugar. Sweet tasty.
Yeah.
Allulose.
Okay.
Allulose,
Okay.
yeah,
It's
stevia.
stevia. Yeah. I
allulose,
use stevia. Okay,
we
got
can
it.
we can make
Alternative
yeah.
sugars. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. That's what you use for your syrup. Amazing.
We
I'm also gonna pick up my plate.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
It was enough.
The one thing I love about travel is meeting new people, and I met the sweetest Korean couple. Their last day here, they're checking out Abhi of the cabin, and the girl stays in Oslo, and she was telling me that this cabin is very romantic. In Norway, everybody, like couples book cabins in Norway, and since I was invited here, I took it. But I was like, yeah, I'll definitely come back with my partner, inshallah, someday. And these guys, Erla and Jeremy, they are the first Norwegians I met, जो hosts है इधर के cabin के. They have 2 more locations, main Norway cabins. So I actually wanted the one in the Wonder in Arctic. This is called the Wonder in Riverside. I wanted Wonder in Arctic because इसमें बैठे बैठे you can see the northern lights. So inshallah someday when Reet के साथ I plan the Norway trip, we'll book that. It was not available during my dates because I booked very last minute. I booked everything last week, right? So only this was available, so I took it. I'm panting because it's an uphill walk. Abhi 30 minutes I'll walk till the grocery store. Luckily got one cinnamon bun and some coffee which Orla had prepared. What a different life to what we lead in Mumbai. ये ट्रिप पे आप नोटिस करोगे मैं कुछ फैशन नहीं कर रही हूँ, कुछ भी नहीं. कैरी किया है थोड़ा मेकअप, बट आउटफिट वाइज ओनली लेयर्स, ओनली लाइक Sherpa jackets, thermal, mufflers. I had 23 kgs and it's all filled with pull-in clothes. No fashionable items, no saris, nothing. Because I'm alone and it's extreme climatic conditions. Don't want to fall sick. Don't want to risk it also. Honestly, 30 minutes was not bad at all. It was such a good walk because morning walk is so not a concept in Mumbai with the pollution. With these views, I can easily walk 1 hour also. And we've reached the grocery store. यहाँ पर है Joker Fenstad. Fenstad is the name of the village. That is this village where I'm staying in Norway. And it's just a 30-minute walk from Wonderin. There was fresh snow last night. इन्होंने सब shovel किया side पे. I'm gonna enter from there. Everybody mostly takes cars over here, but it's a very pedestrian friendly place. There is no problem if you're a pedestrian. I'm gonna walk on snow. Ow. Yeah, New Balances are not for walking on snow. But yeah, I made it. I won't shop too much because I'll have to carry it back. Flowers. Avocado should I get? It'll be difficult to clean and stuff. It looks so good. I definitely want fruits. No potatoes and all. Is this an orange? It is, right? संतरा इतना बड़ा संतरा ही लग रहा है वैसे तो. This sweet lime almost. Okay, इसको काटने वाटने का मेरे को मगजमारी नहीं चाहिए. Fruits in Europe are usually very sweet and very fresh, so definitely getting some fruits. They're small. They're like 2 small ones. ये इनका पूरा कोल्ड कट सेक्शन है. मैंने सोची थी कि सॉसेजेस लूँगी बट मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था कौन सा बेकन, पोर्क, टर्की, बीफ क्या है इसमें. तो फिर फाइनली आई आस्क्ड समबडी एंड ही शोड मी दैट प्रियोर इन नॉर्वेजियन इज चिकन. सो दिस इज चिकन सॉसेजेस. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोना मेक. दिस इज अ गुड अमाउंट. आई डोंट वांट टू मेक इट टू हैवी. आई हैव टेकन अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड सम फ्रूट्स. एंड उसके अलावा ये सब मेरे को फ्राई करने तो जमने नहीं वाला है. जो भी तवे पे बनेगा दैट्स ओनली गुड. दिस इज फिश एंड चिप्स बट I don't think I want to take this. This is air fryer वाला. Air fryer किधर से लाऊँ अभी मैं इधर. Muesli, should I take muesli? Nutella. Coffee तो I've bought Impulse, so I'm good. Oh, doggy toys for Fudgy. जो लेने आई थी, main thing that I need to get for myself is some eggs. Just 1 4-cup portion is good enough for my breakfast and my meal also. तो हो जाएगा मेरा खाना. 3 protein sources I've taken for myself. I'm good. कल सुबह नाश्ता बनाने का तो टाइम नहीं है. I will directly go and eat at the airport. So it's just about today. I was thinking I'll take some cheese, but कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है चीज़ में भी मुझे. These are what mozzarella sticks. These sticks. How will I eat them? I could take the Philadelphia dabba for some cheese. I can actually take that because next destination पे भी काम तो आएगा. Yeah, less fat. The original Philadelphia is good. This cheese is cream cheese. Okay, I'm all done with my grocery shopping. सारा कुछ ले लिया and it was 350 krona, which is roughly around 3,000 rupees. So honestly, so cheap than going to a restaurant. एक meal, एक breakfast इधर 3,000 का था. तो just मेरे पूरे दिन का खाना और कल सुबह का भी and lots of fruits, everything healthy. I'm good. Okay, now 30-minute walk back. बर्फ में चलना. So crazy. फिसल गए इधर. It's good that the roads don't have snow. या फिर इन लोग shovel कर देते हैं साइड में सुबह सुबह ही before the city starts functioning or the village starts functioning. For a village also it's pretty modern.
A few inches later.
Hello. Hi cutie. Good morning. Having breakfast? Lunch? Even I'm going to have lunch. I'm going to cook a lunch for myself in the barn. This is so cute. Look at the ponies. Oh my god. There's a grey one and a white one over there and all these llamas. Alpaca, not llama. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna figure how to make and use this induction of theirs. I have bought eggs and sausages. They have the basic stuff over here like oil, salts. There is oil, there's salt and pepper, and सारे pots and pans वगैरह सब कुछ है. It's like a proper Airbnb only. Yeah, it's getting heated. I think I'll make like 2 eggs and I'm very hungry. I've not eaten proper protein since yesterday. There are 6 eggs. Okay, I can make 3 eggs now and 3 eggs in the night. And I bought some cheese also for myself. I love a good cheese slice on my eggs and some sausages. Perfect. ये सारी चीज़ों पे कुछ bread नहीं खाना मुझे. मैंने सुबह भी cinnamon bun, कल भी 2 पिज़्ज़ा, 4 पिज़्ज़ा स्लाइस हो गए. बहुत cheat कर लिया. अभी my body needs proteins and fats. That's some good cheese. I also got some cherry plums. So sweet. Sausages, eggs, cheese, plum and my book. What a perfect brunch with this view. So pretty. This is so dreamy. इधर हवा तो काफ़ी चल रही है and this is so dreamy that I can't believe this is real life. Last week I was not even able to eat one meal आराम से in my office. And now I'm eating a full meal इतनी शांति से.
Two hours later.
Today I have the guts to go up to them. What do you want? My tripod? You'll take selfie? This is so cute. The winter season is just about to get over in India as well, and strawberry season is going to be over very soon. Last few units of Masti Bhari strawberry are in stock on Impulse Coffees as we speak. I just spoke to my warehouse and our summer launch is about to be restocked. The summer flavors and this beauty is going to be out of stock. Strawberry's been such a hit. I've restocked it 2 times in winters. This is my second restock which is going to sell out. So grab your hands in it before it goes away. I've got this with me over here on this trip too, so I can enjoy it while the stocks last. Just a good sniff of this is the perfect balance of caffeine and strawberry. Oh my god. The coffee aroma is so good and so well balanced with strawberry. That's my biggest win with Impulse. Like the balance of every flavor is amazing. I'm gonna put some in a cup. I'm actually gonna use a jacuzzi now. It's sunny again. Beach mein ekdam cloudy ho gaya tha. I had gone out to sit and read my book, but it became so cloudy that it became super cold. I also tried to fly my drone. You must have seen some drone shots. So I got a new drone. In goes some hot water. I'm gonna sit with my coffee in the jacuzzi. Okay. Actually, you know what? They suggest using plastic glasses, so I'm gonna finish my coffee and then I'll go sit in the jacuzzi. That'll be ideal. I was feeling a little lethargic because ये time पे अभी इंडिया में 9:30 बज रहे, so my day is technically ending in India, but I want to still be active because यहाँ पे sunset भी नहीं हुआ है. So I have no network by the way over here. This is a low network zone. They have Wi-Fi, but it works super slow. So I have not been on Instagram. I have not been on YouTube. I have no idea what's happening. Content live जा रहा है because I've pre-filmed. I've given my team everything, and there's a lot of branded content which is going up. But I have no idea what's happening on my socials right now. It's just a proper disconnect, reset, rewind kind of holiday for me. Especially when you're in such a high active life like mine, you need these kind of breaks quite often. Otherwise, back at home, I was so burnt out. I was really not able to function to the best of my abilities. And you don't want that. You want to be always at your best because one small mistake by somebody like me could cost me a lot. So I have to be at my highest, most performing self all the time. And that's very stressful. This coffee is so good. This is my dinner. Some burger patties, and I'm gonna melt some cheese also on top. I don't eat bread, so I just want protein, so just the patties. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. We've made it to Norway and the adventure is only about to get started. If any of you all are wondering कि Northern Lights किधर है, Northern Lights देखने आए थे, Northern Lights क्यों नहीं दिख रहे, तो of course यहाँ नहीं दिखते हैं. So Norway is very big and there's a certain part of Norway where you'll see the Northern Lights. This right here is Fenstad, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया. It's Oslo से नजदीक, so we are still in the city area. I believe we are in the southern or the western part of Norway. I'm going to go up to the north tomorrow and that's going to be in the next vlog. So the northern part of Norway has a city called Tromso and वहाँ से आपको Northern Lights के tours भी मिलते हैं. और Tromso में if you're living a little on the outskirts, अगर आप city में नहीं रह रहे हो, then you get a chance to see just outside your Airbnb or your villa also. So I have done a stay. अगर इस बार आप देखोगे मेरे सारे stays जो भी है main city के अंदर कहीं पे भी मैं I'm not staying. I'm staying outskirts पे only everywhere. I think Bergen my stay is in the city, but otherwise it's all on the outskirts. I'm going to leave a link to this beautiful stay in the comments in the description box box for you. It's a lovely stay. The hosts are lovely. Everything's amazing. You can come here alone. You can come with your partner. You can come with your entire family also and book like multiple cabins. It's definitely worth an experience. And Oslo city भी हम घूमेंगे जरूर. वो last vlog में आपको देखने मिलेगा. So it's going to be super fun. Like the trip is only getting better. Like literally अभी बैठ के मैंने मेरे सारे Tromso के experiences book किए. So we will go chase the northern lights. There's going to be reindeers and the entire Arctic Circle experience is going to be in Tromso, which will be in the next vlog. So this place I just kept as a acclimatization क्योंकि आपको पता है कि ठंडी जगहों पे मैं ज़्यादा जल्दी चली जाऊँ तो it's very like, you know, for me, my body, it takes time to react to cold places. Luckily, this was not that cold. It was 10 to 11 degrees when I was in Fenstad. So I was pretty chill. So now when I go to Tromso, it's going to be 0 degrees and -1, -2 also. So we gotta layer up a little more. यहाँ पे I was just wearing one layer and one jacket. So that was a normal, जैसा हम normal European spring में भी रहते हैं. That's pretty normal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm loving Norway so far. It's scenic, it's beautiful, it's straight out of a postcard and I'm so excited for everything that's gonna come ahead. I literally can't believe मैंने ये Aurora app download करके रखा है और उस पे you get notifications for when the Aurora Borealis is actually gonna happen and I'm getting notifications that it's happening in Tromso right now. It's all about luck, you know, which is why I took 4 days in Tromso. So I really hope we get a chance to see it. Let's see. Inshallah. Because I have literally come on a mission to see the Northern Lights. That's literally my only goal of this trip. वो देख लेता से जीवन सफल वाला moment होगा तो वो ही करने आई हूँ बस literally और कुछ नहीं. That's why I came इतना घाई में in March और इतना last minute ये trip book हुआ है because a lot of you all will think why didn't you better plan it and आप तो बोल रहे थे कि कोई trip नहीं होगा and all that. It was a very last minute decision only because the season of Northern Lights will end in April and then it will come again at the end of the year. So एंड ऑफ द ईयर का पता नहीं ना, अभी बहुत टाइम है एंड ऑफ द ईयर के लिए. प्लस मेरा शेंगन वीजा अप्रैल में एक्सपायर हो जाएगा. सो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज लाइक पॉसिबिलिटीज आई वाज लाइक एंड द बर्न आउट आई वाज फीलिंग आई रियली वांट टू गेट आउट. सो वेकेशन भी लेना था, वीजा भी है और नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स का सीजन भी है. तो वो सब मिला के आई मेड अ डिसीजन कि चलो अकेले देख के आते हैं बिकॉज किसी और को वीजा लगाने का टाइम वो प्रोसेस करते तब तक नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स का पीरियड चला जाता. सो द डिसीजन वाज मेड लास्ट मिनट एंड द टिकट्स वर बुक्ड लाइक दिस एंड वेरी इम्पल्सिव, वेरी सारा लाइक इम्पल्सिव डिसीजन वाज मेड एंड सारा लाइक इम्पल्सिव बुकिंग्स वर डन. बट अगर मैंने नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स देख लिया तो मैं इम्पल्सिव की क्या, इफ आई सी द नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स आई एम गुड. I am good. That's like I'll feel that my battery will just get recharged by it and I'll go back home and I will hustle and be back to my hustle with Sar. So that's the plan of action. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, give it a big thumbs up. Let's all pray collectively together that I see the Northern Lights when I reach Tromso. For today's video, Sasko shout goes to Hargun Lakhani. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next week's Sasko shout out, you know what to do. The subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and just for my next video, Sarah Squad shout. I'll see you guys soon. I'll be back. I love you. Mwah.